Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to the basement and today's workout. My name is Paul, and as always, I'm taking you through today's workout. I've been doing for almost 6 years right now, every Monday and every Thursday. Anyway, so let's get going. Today I'm working on the core. Nice that we're going to be doing legs. We'll work on the core as we're working down the body. I'm like, we just did chest and all this, shoulders and arms. Now we should do the legs. And I'm like, well, we got to do the attachment point, right? So we'll work on the core today. So same format. We have 2 different exercises, and then the third one is going to be like a burnout exercise. So 3 sets for the first 2 exercises, 1 set for the last one, 7 sets altogether. You're not going to need dumbbells. Actually, you're going to need dumbbells. Something to hold on to over your head, and then one of the exercises is going to require a weight that's relatively heavy. So let's not waste any time. Let's get done with the first exercise on the ground. My favorite, candlestick leg raises, whatever you want to call it. So there's different ways of doing this. Let's go through them real quick. If you're not strong enough, you can just do this. Just do reverse crunches. Try to get those hips off the ground, all right? If you're a little bit stronger and you can handle it, then you can have those knees bent still, but then straighten them out, bend them, straighten them out, and do this. All these varieties work just great. And if you are the strongest, you can leave the legs straight and then bring him up, straight, and then bring him down. Whichever variety you choose, it's completely up to you. I'm gonna sit back as far as I can here so I don't kick the wall in front of me. You guys ready to go? Set number 1. I'm gonna try straight legs for the first one because I'm rested. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Up, down, up to the ceiling and down. Keep going, up, down, up, down. I wish I had something better to hold on to, but I don't. It's okay. Up, down, up, down. I got 10 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 more. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 1 more, and 4. And we'll take a little break. Generally with core, I have a tendency to take shorter breaks. I feel like I'm moving up and I'm gonna hit that wall. I have no idea how close I am to this wall in front of me, but that's the feeling that I have, so I'm gonna keep on adjusting. I always say my workouts are you guys' workouts, so they're not always perfect, but I just do the best that I can. Working out just like you are, same thing. All right, that was set number 1. You guys ready to go set number 2? Same exercise, and let's go up, down. And if you feel like you have to maybe go from the straight leg to the bent leg version because set number 2 is going to start hurting, that's perfectly fine. You don't have to start straight legs. You can start bent legs. You can start straight legs, then go down to the bent leg as we get more and more tired. Keep going. Keep it up. Keep good pace. 5 more. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more. 5. And relax. All right. Adjust the dumbbells again. Like I said, keep on sliding forward. All right. Little adjustment. Maybe I'm not sliding forward as much as I thought I was. Either way, we're adjusted. Either way, we got 1 more set left. Let's take a few more seconds. Oh boy, I feel it already. I haven't even started yet. Nice stretch on the gut already. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Last set of this exercise. And let's go. Up, down, up, down, straight up to the ceiling and down. As high as you can. Up, down, up, and down, up, and down, up, down. How about 5 more? Ready? 5 good ones. 1, 2, keep it up. 3, 4, 1 more. And 5. And now you can relax. All right, let's take a little longer break since we're going to be between exercises. I'm going to stand up a little bit, catch my breath. Going to need a single dumbbell for the next one, so roll one out of the way. Single heavy dumbbell. If you have a heavy dumbbell, that's why I recommend you use. A little bit of a exercise actually just came up with before this video. I'm like, this is going to be a nice rotational exercise. You guys know I love doing rotational work. We're still going to get down on the ground. I'm going to kneel down, and we're going to stay there. All right. Kneel down on the ground. Try to keep as good posture as you can. You're going to grab the dumbbell. We're just going to pick it up from one side, put it all the way on the ground on the other side. Back up, and all the way on the ground this side. I want you to make sure that you go down with the dumbbell as far as you can go. If you can't put it all the way down on the ground, yes, obviously that's okay. We're going to try to put it all the way down. And then when you come back up, you're going to come back up nice and tall, all right? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Just grab the dumbbell, curl it up, and put it down on this side. Fully. Up and down. Up, down, up. Keep going. You guys know I like doing rotational stuff. Get a little bit of a curl in here. And a little bit of core. Up, down, up, down. Pick it up with the trunk basically, right? That's the whole point. You get a nice stretch. Keep going. Full twist. And dumbbell has on the side of your body. Let's do 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 6. So we end up on the same side. 1, last 1, and 2, and down. Oh yeah. Especially after that first exercise. This one feels good. Not the traditional core exercise, but I like doing non-traditional exercises, period. Not just for core. You guys should see me sometimes when I work out in the garage. Some weird stuff going on as far as exercising goes. All right, set number 1 done. 2 more sets. You guys ready? Let's go. Up and put it down and curl it up and put it down. Keep going. Up, down. Come up nice and tall and down. Nice and tall. Look at me. There we go. And down. Keep pushing. Up, down, up, down. Now we can do 5 more since we're on that side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more. And end up on the right once again. And 5. Shake those arms out. Shake the core out. Come on, shake it out with me. Breathe nice and deep. 1 more set. That's all we got in us. And then we're going to finish off with some Russian twists for the final burnout set. Why not, right? All right, 1 more. You guys ready to go? Shake it out. Pick up the weight and let's go. Up. All the way down. All the way up. And all the way down. Keep going. Almost there. Up. All the way to the side. Up. All the way to the side. All nice and tall. There we go. Come on, let's go. Up and down. And up. And then down. And up. And then down. Pull up. And down. 6 more. Ready? 1, 2, nice and tall. 3, 4, 2 more. 1 and 2. Roll the dumbbell the way straight into a Russian twist. Sit back, relax, chill, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, legs up if you can, if you're not leaving back down here, and let's go. Boom, boom, twist, twist. I'm not even counting. It doesn't really matter, does it? Keep going. Keep twisting. Boom. Hands all the way to the ground if you can. Nice full twist. Keep it up. This is a movement and also a nice isometric hold at the same time. Keep going. Feeling good? Keep it up. Keep twisting. No idea how many we have left. Not many, however, I can tell you that much. Keep going. Ready? 20 more. 1. 20 full ones. 2. It's gonna hurt. 3. That's okay. 4. Push it. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Halfway there. Stay strong. 1. Come on. 2. Beautiful. Keep it up. Come on. 3. 4. 5. Only 5 left. We got this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more. And 5. And that's it. Guys, girls, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. Just want to remind you, every Monday and every Thursday, we've never missed an upload. Come back, join the team at Fit After 50. Next workout will be on legs as we are working down the body. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you guys during next workout.